This is how you're going to participate in pre-sale, crypto pre-sales. First of all, you have to download the Jupiter wallet. Okay, so the Jupiter wallet, you can get it from Apple Store or Play Store. Okay, go to your Play Store, you search for Jupiter wallet, and then you install. As you can see, I've been installed it. You click on open. Okay, so that takes you to Jupiter wallet. After the installation, it should now ask you to create a wallet. As soon as you're done creating wallets, you need to fund the wallet with the USDC. It's using USDC for this transaction, so you have to fund it with USDC and Solana. Solana will be used for transaction fee. Okay, just so you put small transaction fee there on Solana. Then, depending on the amount you want to use to make the purchase of the wet coin, it could be 10, it could be 20, it could be 100, it could be 1000. 1000 is the maximum you can use for now on this public pre-sale offer. Okay, so as soon as you're here, you've not transferred to your Jupiter wallet. Okay, so you need to go to your exchange. Here I'll use Bybit to demonstrate this. So you go back to your Bybit. Okay, as soon as you're in your Bybit account, click on convert. You click on convert and convert some tokens. If you have USDT, you can convert USDT. You click on here, and then if you have USDT, you convert it to USDC. USDC. Okay. So if you don't have, you have small coins, you can convert the small coins to USDC directly. As soon as you're done, you go back to your Jupiter wallet, then click on receive. Copy the transaction wallet. Kindly note that depositing asset here is through Solana network. Okay, so it's only through Solana network you can deposit here. You return back to your Bybit, then you must have done your conversion. As soon as you're done with your conversion, you now do withdrawal. You click on withdrawal, select the coins you want to withdraw. This is, then you have to select on-chain transaction. You paste the wallet. Okay, select Solana network. Ensure you are using Solana. That's the network you're using for this. So you select Solana. There will be transaction fee here. Okay, then you select the fund. Select the account where the money is. As soon as you're done, you click withdraw, and the money will be deposited on your account. You come back here again and do the same thing for USDT. Let's assume you want to use USDT. So you come back again and click withdraw. Now you want to send small Solana to your Jupiter wallet so that you can use it for transaction fee. So what coin do you want? Solana. So you select the coin you want, then you select on chain. You place the same address there. Select the network, which is Solana network, and then select the fund where the Solana will come from, and you click withdraw. So as soon as you're done with this, you go back to your Jupiter wallet and confirm that the money has dropped there. Okay, so the USDC has dropped and the Solana has dropped. Okay, so next is for you to click on the browser and type dtf.jup.ag, then you click enter. Then it will automatically connect you to your Jupiter wallet, which you've already created. So you confirm that you are the rightful owner. Okay. So as soon as you are done doing this, you now click sign in, confirm. So your wallet has been connected successfully, and you are now the Humidify decentralized exchange being powered by Solana. So you scroll down to, so look at the words. This is the word you want to buy. So all the coins you want to buy will be listed here. But here what we have is words. So you click on the view DTF. You click on the view DTF. Okay, so as you can see, the countdown is here. It's already counting down because this will be launched by 4 p.m. today. So you need to do it as quickly as possible. You scroll down to commit funds. You click on commit funds. Here it won't be able to commit because the time has not elapsed. As soon as it's 4 p.m., it's first come, first serve. You click on commit fund, then do the swap immediately. Swap to WET token, and that is it. You've purchased from the pre-sale. Then as soon as your coin has appreciated to your taste, you can switch to USDC to sell the coin. This is how to participate in the pre-sale and make huge profits. If you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section.